Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to change the language of your laptop. So to do that, head over to your laptop settings. You can navigate it from here. And here you will find a lot of options. From there, go to system. And here you might find in this search for language. Here go to language settings. So it is under time and language. And in here, as you can see, the display language is currently English. And if you want to change it, you can just add a language from here. Tap on add a language and then just add any language from here. And once you are done with it, tap on next and just add it in here. So yeah, this is how you can just change your laptop's language. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.